What helps her speak English every day?
Speaking with friends helps her every day.
How do they learn new speaking habits?
They learn them by daily repetition.
What makes his pronunciation better?
Listening carefully makes it better.
Where does she watch English lessons?
She watches them on YouTube.
Who practices with him after class?
His classmate practices with him.
What does he use to check meaning?
He uses an English dictionary.
Why do you like English practice?
Because it improves my communication.
What makes her love English?
English songs make her love it.
How do they prepare for a conversation?
They prepare by writing short notes.
What helps him remember sentence patterns?
Daily speaking helps him remember them.
Who teaches her to form correct sentences?
Her tutor teaches her sentence structure.
Where do you join speaking sessions?
I join them online every weekend.
What makes learning easier for them?
Group practice makes it easier.
How does she manage her speaking time?
She speaks for 15 minutes daily.
What does he learn from listening?
He learns new words and expressions.
Why does she speak with her teacher?
To improve pronunciation and grammar.
What makes your sentences natural?
Using daily expressions makes them natural.
How do they talk during breaks?
They talk in English casually.
What helps her improve sentence flow?
Reading aloud helps her improve it.
Who checks their daily progress?
Their trainer checks their progress.
Where do they get grammar practice?
They get it from English exercises.
What does she enjoy most in class?
She enjoys role plays the most.
How do you make your speech interesting?
I add examples and gestures.
What motivates him to practice daily?
His dream of fluency motivates him.
Why do you use English apps?
To improve speaking anywhere, anytime.
What helps them use tenses correctly?
Daily speaking helps them understand tenses.
How does he stay calm while speaking?
He breathes deeply before talking.
What makes her confident in groups?
Positive feedback makes her confident.
Where do you hear new phrases?
I hear them from English podcasts.
Who corrects her pronunciation errors?
Her teacher corrects them gently.
What helps you form long sentences?
Practicing questions helps me form them.
How do they learn to ask questions?
They learn from examples and videos.
What makes your English better daily?
Consistent speaking makes it better.
Why does he listen to short talks?
Because short talks are easy to follow.
What do they talk about after class?
They talk about daily routines.
Who checks your spoken grammar?
My teacher checks it weekly.
How do you fix your pronunciation?
I record and listen to myself.
What makes English sound natural?
Using contractions makes it sound natural.
Where does she practice new idioms?
She practices them in group talks.
Why do they use mirror practice?
To improve confidence and expressions.
What helps him express clearly?
Learning synonyms helps him express clearly.
Who encourages her to keep practicing?
Her brother encourages her daily.
What kind of practice do you enjoy most?
I enjoy storytelling practice.
How do they manage practice time?
They make a daily speaking plan.
What helps her use English daily?
Talking to friends helps her.
Why does he repeat simple phrases?
To build natural fluency.
What makes English practice exciting?
Playing speaking games makes it exciting.
Where do you find speaking partners?
I find them on learning apps.
Who listens to your recordings?
My teacher listens and gives feedback.
What helps her avoid mistakes?
Reviewing notes helps her avoid them.
How do you use new words?
I include them in conversations.
What makes your lessons interesting?
Interactive dialogues make them interesting.
Why does he talk to strangers?
To gain confidence in public.
What helps you remember grammar rules?
Speaking daily helps me remember.
Who helps her correct tense errors?
Her tutor helps her carefully.
Where do they practice group discussions?
They practice them in the classroom.
What helps him sound polite?
Learning polite phrases helps him.
How do you make fewer mistakes?
I speak slowly and clearly.
What does she read aloud every day?
She reads news articles aloud.
Why do they act out dialogues?
To improve fluency and fun.
What helps her remember common phrases?
Writing them in a notebook helps her.
Who motivates him to speak English?
His mother motivates him daily.
What makes you sound fluent?
Using linking words makes me fluent.
How do they learn to start conversations?
They practice with daily topics.
What does he use for pronunciation help?
He uses a pronunciation guide.
Why does she repeat her recordings?
To check progress and errors.
What makes your speaking natural?
Speaking with emotions makes it natural.
Where do you learn conversation starters?
From books and YouTube lessons.
Who gives her speaking ideas?
Her friends give her ideas.
What helps him talk faster?
Practicing tongue twisters helps him.
How do they practice daily phrases?
They write and say them aloud.
What makes English practice easier?
Small daily goals make it easier.
Why does he listen to English stories?
To learn expressions and rhythm.
What helps you sound professional?
Learning business English helps me.
Who teaches her to speak naturally?
Her instructor teaches her daily.
What makes your vocabulary grow?
Reading and using new words.
How do they handle grammar errors?
They learn and move forward.
What helps her pronounce words well?
Listening carefully helps her.
Why does he practice with classmates?
To share learning ideas.
What helps you learn sentence flow?
Repeating dialogues helps me learn it.
Who inspires them to learn?
Their teacher inspires them daily.
What makes you speak with confidence?
Understanding words makes me confident.
How does she remember daily vocabulary?
She writes and reviews it daily.
What helps him learn correct stress?
Listening to native speakers helps him.
Why do you speak in front of a mirror?
To improve eye contact and expressions.
What helps them talk for long?
Practice in pairs helps them.
Who gives him pronunciation practice?
His tutor gives him exercises.
What makes you fluent in English?
Daily conversation practice makes me fluent.
How do they learn polite expressions?
From movies and books.
What helps her improve tone?
Listening to speeches helps her.
Why does he join English clubs?
To meet fluent speakers.
What makes you confident in class?
Active participation makes me confident.
How does she control nervousness?
She breathes and smiles before speaking.
What helps them improve rhythm?
Reading poems aloud helps them.
Who gives feedback in practice sessions?
Their instructor gives feedback.
What makes you enjoy English practice?
Talking about my life makes it fun.
How do you learn daily expressions?
I copy them from native speakers.
What helps her remember new verbs?
Using them in sentences helps her.
Why do they speak English daily?
To stay fluent and confident.
What makes English learning enjoyable?
Friendly practice sessions make it enjoyable.